Tips and tricks for camping in the great outdoors. One of the most popular recreational activities in the world is camping. There is nothing quite like heading out into the great outdoors to really feel connected to nature. If you are thinking about going camping, use the following advice to make your next camping trip more fun and enjoyable. Look up activities to engage in prior to getting to your destination. This will allow you to check for any deals that may be offered. Also, it will help you be more prepared when you actually get to your destination. You can find trails that may be appropriate for everyone in your family or restaurants that you would enjoy. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Use separate coolers for perishables, ice and drinks. While it does not matter if the perishables and drinks go into the same one, make sure to pack your ice separately. This will keep the temperature down so that you will have ice for much longer than you would have otherwise. When camping, periodically do a tick check. Look for any brown or black spots that have just appeared on your skin. Ticks attach themselves to the skin without causing too much of a disturbance, so be sure to check yourself and your companions for ticks after spending time camping outdoors. Once you know more about camping, you can really relax and have fun when you head out into nature. As with any activity, the more you know, the more successful your camping trips will be. Just remember the useful tips you have watched here so that you can enjoy all of your camping trips. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.